keep missing important appointments or forgetting tasks, it's important to stay organized so you don't miss anything that matters. In this video, I'll show you how to set reminders and add events to your calendar on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Let's get started. First, open up the calendar. Here, you'll see a virtual plus icon right there. Then tap on it. Set the start and end times for the event. You can also mark it as an all-day event if it lasts the whole day. Then tap on the location. Add the location of the event. Next, set the alert when you want to receive the alert, like 10 minutes before or at the event time. To do that, make sure to turn it on. Now select the alarming time. You can also customize alert time from here. Then go back and tap on Save from below. That's it for setting reminders and adding events on your Samsung Galaxy. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If this helped, give it a like and hit subscribe for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.